Hi, Anthony here from Learning to Play the Guitar. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the song Where We're Going by Gerry Cinnamon. Gerry Cinnamon is a Scottish singer-songwriter, and this song is a single from his album The Bonny. This song is a fairly simple song to play with only 3 chords: A major, F sharp minor and E major. But you can notice how I'm playing the A as a bar chord, because when you watch live videos of him, that's how he does it, and it does make it easier to jump to the F sharp minor chord if we use that A as a bar chord as we go along. But you can also play the regular open string A if you prefer. It's perfectly fine. Here is the strumming in the introduction with these 3 chords of A major, F sharp minor, E major. So we start off with a quick flamenco strum on the A chord, a quick down, up, down, and then we're going to hang on to that and then go to up, up, down, and then we jump to the F sharp minor and do a similar thing, down, up, down, and then we have a quick up, up, down, and then we have the E. So a couple of ways you can play this E. You can do the 1, 2, 3 fingers like so. Or if you did watch live videos, he is also doing that trick, so you can go from F sharp minor to the E that way, which means you can slide those fingers across, which is okay as well. I'll stick with this way now though. So here we go from the E, down, up, down. Now we've got up, up, down. Second time there's 4 bars of this E, so it continues on with more E, down, up, down. But now in the intro there is a subtle E6 chord, which means I put my little finger down here on fret 2 on the B string, if you can see that. And we have an up, 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 little finger off, up, down, up. So all together I'll do that intro in steps. So here we go. A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, up, up, down, F sharp minor. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, up, up, down, E. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, up, down, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, little finger in, up, off, up, down, up. So after that we get into the guitar melody section, which is the same chords but with some more rhythm going on. So here we go. Here is the strumming pattern under the melody section. So for the A we have this down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and a quick down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we go to E. Very similar though. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So there's 2 rounds of that. Just a reminder, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe, and you can check out more lessons and my books at my website, learningtoplaytheguitar.net. Into the verse, it's also very much the same thing with a little bit less busyness, so a couple of tied ups over the bar here, which we will discover in a second. Together, here we go. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, F sharp minor. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, E. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. And again, that goes around twice before we jump into the chorus. So the chorus is the same chords but in a different order. We have the F sharp minor going to the E major, jumping back up to the A. So here the strumming is sort of similar. We do anticipate the jump to the E slightly after the 4 on the and after 4. So here, with an anticipated jump to the E. Down, 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 up, down. Up, up, down, up, down, up. And then the A. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that goes round and around. Here we go. One more. Jump to the A. So there are 3 rounds of that. Then we have a stop ending, which is the same chords, F sharp minor once, E, and then the A, which hangs out for 2 bars. Round and around. So there's also a guitar solo section. Under that guitar solo, it's actually just the same chords as the chorus, the same rhythm more or less, F sharp minor again, E major, and A major. So you can use the same rhythm as we had in the chorus, has the same stop on the end as well. The final verse does have some stops in it as it goes along, but it is just the same chords as the main verse at the beginning, but we'll just run through that as well. So we have an A chord, hangs out for 2 bars, F sharp minor for 2 bars. Then we have the E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, has that little rhythm, and then it goes into like the second half of the verse with the full rhythm back to the chorus, which is the same, and that's all the parts of the song you need to know. So for the intro of the song, there's a simple through note melody going along the G string, fret 6 here, a C sharp, with that little 16th rhythm copying the rhythm from the acoustic guitar, there on the number 666, and then we eventually have a 4, which is a B, back to the long 6 there again, and then we have a 6, back to long 4 on top of the E chord, which is a B note, and then we have a 2, 4 again, another long B note there, and then we have a final 6, 4 on the last 2 beats, leading into the busy main riff. So the main riff here, or the main melody that the guitar plays here, is based around the C sharp note, which is fret 6 on the G string, and we're going to play a lot of that, and we're going to have some little slidey melodies and some little arpeggio parts as well. So starting off here, we have the number 6 C sharp note 3 times. Then on top of that, we have number 7 A on the D string above it, back to the 6 where we were, 7 D now on that G string. I'm going to pluck that again, slide it to number 9, 7 6 back to the 7, and then the second part is very similar, sliding with that 6 again, back to the 7 though, 6 6 7 on top, 6 7 again, 7 sliding to that 9 on the G again, 7 6 7, a lot of 6s and 7s, 6 7, and then we have the second half of this pattern is more of an arpeggio thing. First finger again on that number 6 C sharp note on the G string, but now I'm going to play these little arpeggio sort of chords, a bit like something from Johnny Marr of the Smiths would sort of do. We've got 6 7 above, ringing out, 0 B string, sliding up now. This little chord shape is now 9 7 on the D G strings respectively, 7 6 7 back to the middle 2 again, B 0 9 7 sliding back up, 7 6 7 0 9 7 7 6 7 7, that A note, and a little scale run here to repeat it, 7 9 6 7 A B C sharp D. Here it is in slow motion. Second bit. Arpeggio thing, 6 7 0 7 9, then something like that. So in the chorus there is a little melody part as well. It's a bit hard to hear, some of it's a bit buried in the mix, but I sort of combined a couple of the rounds together to come up with something that's these bits. So over the F sharp chord we have an 11-10, and then we've got this number 9, which is now going to go over the E chord. 9-9-9, 10, 9, 9, 9. It's a little E chord little thing there. Then the A chord, we have a little triangle shape, which is also another way of playing the A with a little melody. So 9, 10, 9, 10, 10 on the bottom, little finger there. 9, 10, 10 on the bottom, 9, 10, little 12B, and that sort of loops around. So I'll do that with a bit more speed. Now the A thing. So something like that. And the very last round of the chorus where the stops are, we have F sharp minor, 11-10-9, a little one finger E chord 9-9-9 on the DGB strings, and then a little A chord triangle, 10-9-10-9. So there's also a guitar solo played over the chorus chords of F sharp minor, E major, and A major. It comprises of a melody chopped into two parts. So the first bit is this F sharp 11 note going round and around with some other extra notes, of course. So here we have a lot of 11s to a 9. That little thing there, which is F sharp E and one C sharp note there. The second bit over the A chord is based around the A note, which makes sense. Number 10 on the B string here. Then up to the 12, my little finger there on the same string. Now got a little melody going, numbers and tabs, tab numbers. 9, 10, 9, 12, 10. Again. So that's the main theme. We'll do that again all together. Number 10. So there's that little one. Second time round, it's almost the same thing, except we only have 3 crotchets instead of some quavers in there for the F sharp, but it's very similar. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and otherwise it's the same. Third version has an extra little note after the F sharp 11s. Little number 10A there. Otherwise it's the same really. Then we have an 11. These are the stopping chords. A 9, which is an E. These are all just root notes. E for the E chord, and A on the number 7 for the A chord underneath. And so after that, there is a breakdown verse leading back into the final chorus, and that is basically the same chords of A, F sharp minor, and E major. And so again, just these little baby chords here, the triangle A hanging out in space, and F sharp minor, the 11-10-9. So then there is also the one finger E chord, the 9-9-9 on the DGB strings. Then you got the number 10, 9-9-9, little sus there with the number 10 note, and that happens twice, letting everything ring out, of course. And then you're back to the second half of the rocking verse chorus to the end. So I hope you had a bonny time learning how to play this wee Scottish tune.